Now let's calculate nominal growth rates, or yearly percent returns. For instance, the problem set up here, it reads like this. $800 becomes $4,000 over 20 years. Therefore, what was its rate of growth? Nominal. Or, for instance, it could be I had purchased an $800 coin and it's now worth $4,000 20 years later. What was its annual growth? My students like to use this function to see what the rate of increase in school was. They'll go back 20 years to see what a certain university costs per year or per semester, compare that to today's rate, and then see what the rate of growth has been over those 20 years. Let's attempt this problem. 20 in present value 20 years ago, negative, 0 additional payments, therefore future value is 4,000. So $800 over 20 years became $4,000, represents a 8.37 or 8.38 return yearly. That doesn't mean each year it was. One year it could have been 15%, another year 4%. That just gives us a nominal rate over the past 20 years. Let's do this with Excel. Click on Finance, find Rate. I'm looking right at it. There we go. Incur would be 20. Payment is 0. Present value is negative. And future value is 4,000. And we see the 8.37 or 8.38. Now with Excel, once you hit OK, it's going to round, so be cautious on that. Pull this over, and let's take a look at the next one. The next one's 11. Let's try it with the Hewlett-Packard 10B2 calculator. 15 years, $4,000 was placed in an account. It became $20,000, making 0 additional payments. That represents a 11.33% return.